welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and I have another Ipsy bag review. Hey, welcome to my channel. My name's Sarah and today I have another Ipsy bag review. I have my June bag right here that I'm going to go through and review all of the products. I'm actually filming this intro video the day before this video is going to go up, and I filmed the rest of this video last week. I've just been a mess these past couple of weeks and just so forgetful that this video actually was filmed in 3 different days. So that explains why I'm wearing something different each day. The lighting is probably also going to be off since I used a ring light for the other parts of the video, and this I'm just using natural light. If you're excited for this video and you'd like to see me get my life together, you can hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, you can also subscribe. Now let's go back 1 week ago. I'm somehow filming this before work. Usually I film everything after work, so let's hope I don't make myself late. Alright, the first product is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Hyaluronic Hydrating Primer. It says it helps your makeup last longer and look better. It's oil-free. It has hyaluronic acid, soothing colloidal oatmeal, and light diffusing micro pearls to nourish and brighten your skin and lock your look in place. And it says it is safe for sensitive skin, allergy tested, and no artificial fragrance. It smells like sunscreen. It's kind of like a thick formula. It feels smooth and hydrating. Feels like I am just rubbing on a moisturizer actually. It doesn't say anything about blurring pores, but it did feel moisturizing and smooth going on. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation and see if I notice a difference. Okay, so I don't really notice if it looks better. I should have used a bad foundation to see if it really does make it look better. But since it didn't blur my pores, it doesn't look super smooth in this area. Yeah, I don't think it looks better yet. Maybe it'll look better throughout the day, and I'm hoping that this makes my makeup last throughout the day. So that will be the true test. Alright, the next product is the Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. It says it is a water-resistant gel loaded with teeny microfibers that fill in sparseness, add definition, and shape your brows while looking totally natural. It comes in this tiny tube. I don't have a whole lot of eyebrow. I think I'm going to try this initially just to see how it works, and then if I need more, I will go in with a pencil to shape. Tiny brush. I really prefer smaller brushes so that you can get like the end smaller areas that you can't get with a large like mascara size brush. The shade is good. I like that the brush is so small so I can get these hairs right here. And I would say that it looks pretty natural. I'm definitely going to have to go back in with a pencil to shape my eyebrows because they're kind of uneven, so this needs something to grip onto, like the hairs. Where there are not hairs, I need to put something. So if you are someone that does have fuller brows and maybe your hairs are just a lighter color, this will work well, but since it needs hair to grip onto, I don't know why it says you can really shape your brows with this. However, this does make them look fuller and more opaque, so I do like that. Alright, the shaping of my brow today is not the best job, but I fear I'm going to make myself late. Alright, the next product is a brush. I love getting brushes. I've gotten lots of different brushes from Ipsy, and for the most part, I think I've liked all of them. This is the Tetris and Ipsy blending brush. The limited edition collection celebrating different sizes, shapes, colors, and unique beauty. It's an ultra soft synthetic brush to blend your base and crease eyeshadows seamlessly. So on the side, really cute, it has like the Tetris pieces. I don't know if you can see the yellow one, like the L. So that's kind of cute. It's a short blender, which I like. Sometimes when they make the bristles too long, you lose control. I'm going to do a burgundy look today, and I already primed my eyelids and put in a transition shade. Brush is soft, helps blend out well. It's not really dragging on my eyelid or anything like that. Trying to use it to apply a crease shade as well. I really like this brush. It seems durable. I really like the look. Like, that's really cute. I don't know if I mentioned this already, but this brush was made in celebration of Tetris's 35th anniversary. Alright, I finished up my eyeshadow for the most part. I really like this brush. It seems like it's very good quality. I didn't have any bristles fall out, so I'm excited to keep using this, put it in my daily lineup, and see how it compares to my other brushes. I need to finish up the rest of my makeup, but the last two products are skincare, so I will be filming that portion later on tonight. I'm gonna finish my makeup and hopefully not get to work late. Okay, I'm back. It is a different day that I'm filming this. I didn't have time to do this part previous day. Also, I don't think I showed in the first part of the video the bag. It's a really cute orange geometric bag. I really like it. It feels like it is waterproof. Inside the lining, it says Tetris and has a little piece right there. Oh, and also it says Ipsy on the side. Then on this side it says Tetris. The next product is the Purlisse Watermelon Energizing Marshmallow Peel Off Mask. It says it will give your skin an energizing, tightening, and brightening boost. It's infused with antioxidant and vitamin-rich watermelon, renewing blackberry and cranberry, healing aloe, soothing chamomile, and revitalizing elderberry. I don't understand where the marshmallow comes into play. Oh, marshmallow texture? Marshmallow and watermelon don't really seem to go well together in my mind. And this is a peel-off mask. I've only done a peel-off mask like twice before and it was the same one. I'm not the biggest fan. When I have to peel it off, I don't know if it's doing anything. It also says on the back that watermelon is loaded with vitamins A, B, and C. Blackberry helps refine pores. Cranberry fights free radicals, and elderberry brightens and detoxifies. Okay, so it's like a pink gel. And it looks sparkly. Ooh, it goes on thick. It is very sticky. Ooh, it smells like sour watermelon. I love that. Since it is so thick, it's hard to spread out, so you really have to use a lot of this. Okay, and I leave this bad boy on for 10 to 15 minutes. And I did cleanse my skin before putting this on. Okay, it's been on for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna go and try to peel it off. It's coming off pretty easily. It still stings a bit, but like I got all of this in just one pull, so that is great. Okay, I feel like my skin might look brighter and maybe a tiny bit tighter, but I feel like that happens really with any kind of face mask. It feels tight and then you apply moisturizer and it goes away. And with masks like these, it's hard to really see a difference after one use because I really don't think that's the purpose of masks. They are something you are supposed to use over time to reap the benefits, like most things. But I do like it. It smells amazing. It wasn't difficult to get off. Okay, the last product is the Neogen Code 9 Black Volume Cream. It says it creates a highly effective product to target your skin's concerns. Says it is made with 119 natural ingredients, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid. 119? That seems like a lot. Like, is that necessary? So if they're boasting about having 119, that makes me believe that it's really great stuff that they're putting in this. Like, you need all of it. It's an oil-free gel-like moisturizer. It's gonna be black. It does have like a black tint. It feels more so like aloe vera than it does a moisturizer. Alright, it feels like my skin absorbed all of that, so I'm gonna add a little bit more to the center of my face. Yeah, it feels like aloe vera, and like it has that kind of stickiness that aloe vera has. I'm not sure if I like it. Like, I assume it will be less sticky once it absorbs completely into my skin, but I don't like how it feels right now. My skin doesn't feel like it is being completely moisturized. It feels like, it's kind of like when you put on aloe vera. Like, it feels soothing and nice on your skin, but it isn't necessarily a moisturizer that's just like, you can feel it, your skin permeating. Also, on the bottle, it says water capping system. What does that mean? Youthful glowing skin? Do I have a youthful glow? Maybe. Still feels sticky. Yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about this one. This might get pushed to the back of the drawer. So that was the last product, but I wanted to go over the prices of everything. I've mentioned in other Ipsy bag videos that I typically get more than one full-sized item. I have just lucked out. I usually end up getting 2 or even more. This month I only got the one full size, which was the eyeshadow brush, which that's fine. I mean, they guarantee you one full size for $10. That's awesome. The First Aid Beauty Primer, when I compared prices online, the size I was given would be worth about $5.50, so that's pretty good for something this small. Like for a full size, it is I think $28. The brush, since it is a Ipsy brush, I'm not entirely sure how much it would cost normally. My guess is over $10 though, so let's just say like 15, since it did seem well made. Next is the Benefit Gimme Brow. This, when I compared it to the full size, just this small size would be worth about $8, which is incredible. Like just something this small with this little product is $8, but I like that they include high-end brands like this. The Purlisse peel-off mask would be worth about $5. I think the full size was about $24, so not the cheapest face mask. It's not your Freeman, but it's not the worst. I don't think I would spend this much on a peel-off mask though, to be honest. And then the Black Volume Cream. I just realized, why is it called a cream when it's clearly a gel? All right. This would also be worth about $5. I think the full size was about $36, so this size was worth $5. Not the highest price bag I've had, but when compared to how much I spent on the bag, I mean, this all added up is over $20, so I definitely got my money's worth. So that is all I have today. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, especially Ipsy bag reviews, I do a review each month, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video.